DFO?
Yeah.
I think because you walk much better. Basil. Oh my gosh, this is the first time I've seen basil like this. So this is the herb garden or herb section.
Hey, but there was this guy on Marco's YouTube page talking about. He was talking about how Grandma goes to the cornfield to get rid of the bugs. He was saying you can put ladybugs in there.
So you start with me, babe? Almost. So we are okay to...
Yeah. So right here is our pear tree. And then if you follow the path to the left to the vineyard, there's tons of grapes all throughout the vineyard. Heading
And
back,
we can try them for
Yeah.
free.
Yes. In menu, there's Thai basil, pepper,
Yes, I saw those, babe.
cucumber.
We will not be in trouble if we pick something.
Just like if you pick
Yeah,
one or
like-
two.
yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Thank
Pear,
you.
apple. There's persimmon.
Oh, I like the persimmon.
I don't know if they're ripe. I'm not a persimmon person. I know the figs aren't ripe yet.
Yeah, I
Or
haven't
papayas
tried
aren't
figs.
What
ripe.
about the pawpaw?
If you find one, go for it.
Okay.
Oh,
Go for
okay,
it. I
thank
don't
you.
know if they're ripe.
If they're right.
But thank you.
Have a good one.
I appreciate
You too.
it. Thanks. Okay, let's pick one. How do we know how do we know if it's
Right?
how do we know if it's ripe? How do we know? Like the color?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. I can probably see.
About the fruit?
With this gentleman's permission, I am taking a video of them while I interview them how to know.
Yeah, they're so very, very hard. Yeah. So
Yeah.
usually as they ripen, they'll happen in fall. Then eventually, yeah, you see the ones lying on the ground there. But likely they
Yeah.
ripened up, got soft, and dropped. So somebody tried to eat one. They didn't. They couldn't even make the first bite. So
That's a bite mark.
that's probably why it's on the ground. Somebody took it off to try to eat
That's
it.
a bite mark.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining in my video. I appreciate it. Because whenever I buy this from the grocery, it's
Yeah.
always like hard. It takes forever to get ripe.
Yeah, usually they pick them before they're ripe for
Okay.
sale in grocery stores. Otherwise, they get.
They
bruised
get
by the
yeah,
time
and
they-
yeah, I noticed that they are so like they get spoiled so fast. Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys. Again. Have a great day. I still want to pick one, babe.
Take one.
There's nothing in here. I can
We
probably
can take
step.
it home and let it sit.
Oh yeah.
Put it in the window. It'll be alright.
It's really hard. Yeah, they're right. It's like a rock. I feel like if I pick it and throw it, it's gonna hurt.
Now you freeze the tree so that like you get.
Yeah, it's really a.
Probably a red one. Tree.
Hold on.
They'll probably keep it hard.
Yeah, I feel like that's intense.
This
Yeah,
one.
this tree is. Yeah, this tree. Like if they were trying to actually put it eat the tree, they would. Yeah, they're putting it back.
I cannot. I cannot. I mean, I don't wanna ruin it. Maybe it's good to just let it. Yeah, it's so hard. It's like
Yeah, pretty
it's
hard.
like a rock.
Yeah.
It's really hard. All right, let's try another tree.
Let's try an apple.
Yeah. We pay $15 for the entrance to eat one pear. Yeah. The great thing is it's organic, pesticide free.
That's right.
Yeah.
There are some grapes over here. Did you notice?
They're loud. Yeah, isn't this the? Is that what you call the trellis? Okay, we are gonna try. There's a lot of grapes here. We're gonna try to eat some grapes. Let's see how sweet. Is it sweet?
They have seeds. It's tasty though.
Oh.
I love that they
try
have
to-
seeds. It's good.
Mmm.
Be careful of the seed.
Has seeds.
So these are real grapes.
And they taste like the juice. What do you call those? Concord juice. Where do we put the seeds? Just over there?
You want to take it home?
Oh yeah. Can we
Try.
keep it? I'll put it in my pocket.
This one's wet.
Hold on. Let me put this camera. That's awesome, isn't it?
It's delicious.
We don't have to go anywhere. It's really good.
Sweet. But not super sweet. I've never had it.
Yeah, I never had it. How do you eat this? How do you know if it's ripe too? They look like
They don't look right to me.
mangoes. I feel sad leaving the grapes. Maybe at the top.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
It's just they taste like honey and vanilla.
The Pow Pow?
Yep.
Mm.
It's like a mango. You gotta cut it open.
Ah, okay. There's the apple. We can try it.
Yeah.
Just one. One for both of us. I just want to try because I know they are not. I don't think they spray. Oh, I dropped one. I don't want it to. Really good. It's great, guys. I had no idea you can try fruits and herbs as long as you don't harvest. We heard the lady earlier. I wish I'd known before because we have always wanted to try, because I know, or my understanding is, they don't use pesticides here. Look how oddly shaped the apples are, and you know, in
And
the
they probably have just, I'm guessing that they look like that because of worms.
in the perfect world of grocery stores, these
None of these
apples will make it to the stalls because they are, I mean, they're misshaped. They have, what you call that? These bruises. But
It's delicious.
if you know that you're eating something direct from the tree, actually, it's really awesome. I'll take a video of the apples that are mushy. Feel like it's paradise here. See how those apples are shaped, and this is getting rotten while still at the tree. I miss my childhood. I grew up picking fruits direct from the tree, eating them before I even reached my grandpa's house. I don't know how the red ones are gonna taste. You got this, you got that from this tree, right? Because it's still technically green, so I'm curious as to the how the red apples will taste. Like, it's probably gonna be really sweet because that one that T is eating, it's really sweet. I wanted to. I'm eyeing this one, babe. Here. Let me see if I can get it. Be careful not to step on anything. Oh, it's rotten already. I didn't see it. There you go. There's a fly enjoying it. Hey, babe, can you help me pick this one? Please. This one, it's green. Oh, it's so high. I thought, I don't think, hold on, let me turn this camera off. Okay guys, I got one. These are another apple trees. Alright, we are headed now to the other side of the garden. Oh, somebody dropped this apple. At least the critters are gonna get it. You need help with that? You can finish it? Okay. Yeah. Okay, we are going to pinch a little bit of this. Is it good?
No, I need some bar.
Is that? Got it.
It's even like, look at this branch.
I don't know who that's. Someone told me it was. I was talking with the blah 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 with somebody. I go, hey, do they still have it? And someone said, oh yeah. I go, no, I don't know if they still.
It is hot.
Yeah, the more you chew it, it starts to get hot. I don't know what kind of baby.
It's good though.
Yeah, it's good.
There's a lot of
Very
flavor.
hot. I don't wanna spit it, so I'm gonna drink water. Okay, we tried basil, we tried grapes and apples. What else can we try here? It's really cool. We're gonna try to go to the other side where the lake is located at.
The food in the grocery store doesn't have flavor like that.
It's really fresh. I like the apple. Is that the Powell?
Yeah.
It looks mango.
Yeah.
I'm not really.
It looks like a mango, but it tastes
I thought Powell was papaya.
it tastes like honey and vanilla.
Willow. This is willow. No, this is not willow. I think, is it willow? It looks like willow leaves. Spice bush.
That's good. I don't know what this is.
This is new to me. The playground. Fun. What do you call that? Fantopia.
You want to try to go to the trail?
Fortopia. You want to go to the trail?
That's why so many people here because of the kids. Yeah.
Fortopia. This is the trail, isn't it? Oh, this way to Lotus Pond. Oh yeah, this is the Lotus Pond. What's the matter? Okay. This is a great idea to get this, what you call this? Fortopia. Bye everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We didn't go to the butterfly festival, but I think it's ongoing until August 31st. Not sure, but maybe we can try again. Hopefully there will be another day that will have the same weather like today's. Bye everyone. Bye. Beautiful.